Fast to finish this up. We're on page 44 and 53. We're talking about the Ryan K case, which was the opposite of the Rachel H case. The next thing that's important as we move over to page 54, the Pula versus Bishop's case. You can read about that, and I'll just highlight those. The discipline and procedural safeguards. The big key word here is manifestation. We're on the middle of 45 and the top of 54. That is, manifestation is, was the student's actions a manifestation or come from their disability? In that case, then the student is treated differently. So 45 down about 2/3 of the way down, and 54 about the middle of the page. At the bottom of 45, and going to continue on page 54, it talks about conflict resolution, a resolution process now that was passed, and it goes over to 46 and 55. You should be aware of those. Another section talks about the Rehabilitation Act, and it deals with the immune aids, basically, and says that the courts have ruled that AIDS is not a legitimate way to prevent somebody from going to school or from teaching. You could sort of just look quickly at the top of 57, 47, at the employment there, the Nevada AIDS statute, which basically requires health authorities to direct action regarding to AIDS within the schools and to notify them of that. Americans with Disability Act at the bottom of 47, and there's not much on that. And there is a section in 48 comparing IDEA with ADA 504, but I don't think that would be on the test, so I think we've got it.
About 4 minutes left if you'd like.
4 minutes left. Are there any questions for the last 4 minutes? Good luck on the test. I hope you do well on it. Get a good night's sleep the night before. You have to enroll for it early, so I would do it, if you haven't already, do it now.
Is it open now? It says it opens 5 weeks before. Has anybody, it is open?
Today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You can get it online, just at that website?
Yeah, yes. If you're going to take the test, obviously all of you are, you can be sitting here for 3 hours listening to me jabber. By the way, this is not the way I normally teach anything. This is an example of what I call the cornflake stuffing approach, and that's where a teacher takes the material, which is the cornflakes, and stuffs the cornflakes into the student in the box, and then closes the box. So you're exposed to that. And if I should ever have any of you in the class, I'm quite different. Unless I don't babble along at a tremendous pace. Although when I taught at Reno High, a guy I team taught with claimed I talked consecutively for 22 minutes without breathing. I hope this is helpful to you, and give us feedback, give Francesca feedback if there's things I covered that I didn't need to cover or anything like that. I'm just here basically to help you and hope that you have a great career in teaching.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.